So, yeah. Welcome. This is my car. This is my race car. At least it's not as fast, but it's not a street car. I was thinking, I don't have any interior almost. Like, this is it. I have a dash and a seat and a steering wheel and, you know, things to pull. And I was at a car meet a few days ago. At this car meet, I was invited, and some of the people drove in a group from the place we met till this meet itself, and then back after. And on the way back, there was this Corolla with the guy I've met a few times before, and he had in his Corolla, I know people have done it before, I've seen pictures of this on the internet, but this Corolla, Evil 3 John, got me inspired. So I went to Ikea. It is not the same as when I grew up. I remember, because I grew up on these streets. It's not the same. This is something new design, but it's closer. You know, it's the closest I could get. Let's see how to make this the carpet in the floor. Oh. While I'm trying to get a knife, you can watch the footage from the car meet. Okay, back. So let's see what design this is. As I said, it's not the one from my childhood. Probably it's not the one you recognize as well, because the pictures I've seen on the internet, and I think also the one which Evil 3 John had in his car, was the OG one. At least original in Norway. Okay. Like this. So if I need, my plan was actually to just cut it out so I can use it where my feet is, and if I had enough, have one piece here. I think I need to buy another one, because then I can have also here and in the back behind the seat also. Let's start with trying to figure out what shape I need to cut it. I want to start with the driver's side, the left side, and this area. I want to make the carpet from here, and then, you know, I want to make this small part. I'm not going to make the whole interior, because then I would have needed really a lot and have to, I don't know, sew them together or something. I'm going to make it here, and I need something. You know, I could just take the carpet and then drop it in here and try to mark it or something, to see like where should I cut it and how should I cut it. But I think it's much easier to use my CAD skills. If it's skills or not, I don't know, but so I found this, you know, it's kind of like thick paper, which is easier making there. I can draw on it, and then I would put this on the carpet, and you know the drill. So this is the shape. I marked it, so I will cut it there. And also, I think I will cut out this part and then something on top here. Test fit it, kind of test fit it back, and then try to cut it out of this carpet. This is the shape. Try to outline it, and I thought this would be enough for the small carpet in the front in the driver's seat and the passenger seat, but it doesn't look like it. Probably it's enough to make like the back part behind the driver's seat, maybe. The front is the most important. And I have found my best scissor, my only scissor, and it's really crap. Yeah, hopefully this is not the best quality, so I can just this is now the big moment of truth. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. Need some adjustments. Here needs to cut away, or try to maybe. The best would be for the wires to be under it, but maybe I can make some holes and put zip ties around the cables and this. Here I need to cut a slice so it will. Sorry. Here it needs to cut a slice in the carpet so it will fold, I think, and also maybe here somewhere fold more correct. But other than that, it looks, I think it looks good. I'm definitely gonna buy more. At least first I would like to have a passenger seat. So if you by any chance have a passenger seat for free or cheap, which I can buy, the condition doesn't need to be good. Something I can use. Mark 1, Mark 2, I don't know about Mark 3, but Corrado fits. It's probably Mark 3 also, because I think that if I put the passenger seat back, like far enough in the back, I think this would be okay. I made this, so hopefully a stock passenger seat would still fit. Like, I mean, this thing. And then, you know, of course, carpet. Look at this. Yeah, I made a slice here, so this will go over, this will go over something like this. And the same here, made a slice so it will fold. So now it's more like it wouldn't get so much dirt in the car. I have been a bit like annoyed that when a few times I've driven this car and I have dirt on my shoes, or when I did the driving on the ice lake, ice drifting with the car, it got like, there was no way to not make the snow come in the car. Because I was walking in snow, and snow gets on the shoes, and you know, you can think of the rest. So now this will help. On this side, I'm going to do the same. One here, one there. I'm going to measure if there is enough on the part which I still have left. If that is enough for here, then I can put that piece here and, you know, buy one later. Another one, put it here. So yeah, not bad. I'm very pleased. It looks better, and this trend, it's I don't know what it is. It's in my car. It's in the carpet in my car. Just need to do the other side and get a seat, another passenger seat. stock one, or something which is easy mount.